Obviously, what happens is that everybody's talking about sustainability, which means less and less physical samples. So companies will order less and less products per style, and the entire production chain will change. What this means is that designers will have to support an increasing amount of collections per season, which is something that already happens in the last, let's say, 15-20 years. And to do that, the time for development is decreasing, which means that designers have to use more and more advanced solutions such as 3D virtualization, advanced product lifecycle management solution, ERP, and again, going back to Textile 4.0. All industry is going in the direction of adopting Textile 4.0, which is supporting customized patterns, shorter runs, produce to order, made to measure, and so the need for customized patterns is increasing. How fast this can happen in Moldova, like in any other place, is adopting new software platforms to integrate into 4.0 standards, which many companies are using now. So the designers have to think about end-to-end solutions, starting from the production and going back to the designer, and also adopting new technologies altogether, such as 3D design. First recommendation is that you should learn a lot about the new technologies in the market. The very minimum I would recommend is that designers will outsource the 3D part, or they do 3D by themselves. 3D means that they can go from sketch to a finished product much faster, which is very important today. Second recommendation, in my view, is learn more about brands, what they require in terms of mass customization. Mass customization means that companies are able today to produce shorter runs locally. In each country, different collections every season. So designers need to be able to generate much more styles. The last point is collaboration. Designers traditionally don't really like to work very close with pattern makers and production, but they have to realize that they are part of a supply chain. Today there are more and more collaborative platforms that they need to get used to. Already happening. We have textiles which are supporting different functionalities. If you go from military, which is doing very advanced camouflage and heating systems, down to work uniform and sportswear, all of this area is changing a lot in the last 5 to 10 years. Obviously, we see a lot of new textiles, such as technologies which convert nylon to wearable textiles. All of this provides new opportunities. So designers who will learn about new textiles will have an advantage. The last point is 3D printing, which is a great advantage. More and more products are being printed today. And over time, we will see materials which go into 3D printers, and they look more and more like fabrics.